spokesperson of the Nigerian police force. Since assuming duty as a force PRO, he has been consistent in providing timely and consequential updates on the activities of the police. His ingenious to the Nigerian police, thereby opening up opportunities. It enhanced social media presence as the police MD's Twitter X following to approximately viral misinformation, including disciplinary actions and past police misconduct. He spearheaded the organization.
Let's Chinaka, Lauren, Chairman, please come forward as well. Quickly, please. You can see the video content in the background. Media. This one, quickly. Take the video. Yes. Don't blame this platform. The police insurance companies here. Quickly, please. The same way everybody's offices.
Assistant Commissioner of Police are proceeding on retirement.
Comment podium, nada podium.
Excellency, the Honorable Minister of Police Affairs, Vice Admiral Nigerianpolitics, the Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar, the Director General, Department of State Services, Police Award and Commendation Night. As we gather to honor some of our finest officers, I recall our inaugural event in April 2024, where 13 exceptional officers were recognized for their remarkable service. Tonight, we celebrate excellence in policing and present awards to deserving officers who have demonstrated extraordinary dedication and commitment to duty. I am deeply honored by the presence here today of His Excellency President Prof.Mgbeke, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, ably represented by the former Senate President. Your Excellency's presence is not only a powerful symbol of support, it is a testament of your administration's resolve to build enduring institutions of law and order. We thank you profoundly for your leadership, your vision, and your belief in the transformation of the Nigerian nation and the Nigerian police force. I also especially welcome other dignitaries here present, members of the National Assembly, senior officers, heads of security and intelligence agencies, and all distinguished guests. Your presence here lends prestige to this occasion and reaffirms our collective commitment to excellence in national service. As I look across this room, I see men and women who represent the very best of our nation, officers who through sweat and sacrifice, courage and character have risen above the call of duty to serve with honor. The officers we celebrate today are not extraordinary because of fame or fortune. They are extraordinary because of their refusal to be ordinary. From patrol officers who brave the night to keep our city safe, to detectives who crack syndicates with painstaking precision, I congratulate you all. You are the reason our nation can sleep with renewed hope. You are the embodiment of quiet heroism, and tonight we stand in tribute to your legacy. The awards and commendation ceremony starts today as a bold symbol of our institutional shift from entitlement to merit, from routine to excellence. This year's award process was a deliberate, rigorous, and transparent endeavor to institutionalize merit within the Nigerian police force. Nominations came from every strata, from first headquarters to the remotest outposts. Our coalition committee, in partnership with Lenders Consult International, ensured that each nomination was scrutinized with fairness and fidelity. The first management team made final selections with integrity and restraint, guided solely by merit and impact. The decisions made were not easy, but they were just. The officers' honor this evening did not apply for recognition. They earned it through uncommon courage, ethical conduct, exceptional leadership, and unwavering dedication. To all award recipients who have become standard bearers of a redefined Nigerian police force, carry this honor with humility and with the fierce determination to do even more. Wear your honor not as a trophy, but as a torch to light the path to greater honor for those who come behind you. And to those not awarded tonight, let this ceremony steer your ambition. Excellence is not a finish line. It's a daily standard. We expect nothing less. Before we proceed, let us pause to honor the memory of our fallen heroes, the brave men and women of the Nigerian police force who made the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. Their courage, their duty, and their lives will never be forgotten. They stood when others ran. To their families, we extend our deepest gratitude and unending solidarity. They are the eternal sentinels of peace, and their names are etched in the soul of this force. We are not blind to the challenges that face us, from terrorism to cybercrime, kidnapping to organized criminal networks. The threats are evolving, and so the police must embrace innovation, harness digital intelligence, adopt global best practices, and train relentlessly. The future of policing in Nigeria must be smarter, faster, more trusted, and unapologetically people-focused. We cannot win this fight alone. Our greatest resource is the trust of the people we serve. Without legitimacy, there is no effectiveness. That is why community partnership remains the cornerstone of our operations. We must return to the roots of our mandate to protect with courage and serve with compassion. To our sister agencies, intelligence partners, and all security stakeholders, I thank you for standing with us. No single agency can secure Nigeria in isolation. Together, through synergy and shared resolve, we can build a united security architecture that will stand the test of time. To the people of Nigeria, from the creeks of the Delta to the plains of the North, we say, we are your sentinels. Not perfect, but resolute. Not without flaws, but without fear. Your safety is our mission. Your trust is our shield. The transformation of the Nigerian police force is not a slogan. It's a daily commitment, and you, the Nigerian people, are our most important partner in that journey. This occasion is not about arrest alone. It is about legacy. It reminds us that the business of policing is not transactional, it is transformational. That our mission is not to be feared, but to be trusted. And that in the theater of public safety, character is our most powerful weapon. Finally, I take this opportunity to urge every officer, from constable to commissioner, to return from this occasion to duty with renewed vision and deeper resolve. Let this not end here. Let it mark a new beginning in our journey towards excellence. Let history record that in this moment, in this very hour, the Nigerian police force recommitted itself to greatness. Let the enemies of peace know we are prepared. Let the allies of justice know we are ready. And let every citizen of this republic know, as long as Nigerian police force stands, you will never stand alone. Congratulations once again to all the recipients. God bless the Nigerian police force and the Federal Republic.